Let's do a what's in my bag. Hi everyone, I'm Rose and welcome back to Rose's Roundup. Today I'm going to do a what's in my bag and I'm going to show you everything that I keep in this purse. This is the Coach Emmy Saddle Bag 23. Now let's go ahead and look at this bag. So it's got beautiful construction. You can see the outside back pocket, which I don't use too often. There's a clasp, and on the inside is brown suede. Having insides that are suede does scare me a little bit. I'm a little more conscious of spilling things or getting gunk in there. That is the Coach leather tag, and at the front is that hidden pocket. As you can see, at first glance, it does fit a good amount. So let's start going through what is inside my bag. First, we'll go through that front zipper pocket, and I usually keep items that are relatively flat in there. So I have a face mask. I have a hydrocolloid bandage, which comes in handy so much more than a regular bandage because you can cut it into pimple patches or you can use it for calluses when you're wearing a new pair of shoes. Next, in this front flat hidden pocket, I have some more flat things, and the next one is just a regular alcohol swab. You can never, ever, ever have too many of these in your purse. They come in handy for so many things. The next item is a lens cleaning cloth. I love these by Zeiss. I just use those almost every day. They make your vision revert to HD mode. Now let's go ahead and look at this back zipper pocket. Right now I don't have much in here. I just have my Bath & Body Works Sunshine and Lemons hand sanitizer. If you like the smell of lemons, this is like, it's OD lemon. It's crazy. I don't keep a lot in that back zipper pocket unless it's pretty flat because unfortunately bulbous items will stick out and kind of leave an imprint in the leather, which I find really annoying. The next thing that I have is my sunglasses carrying case, and I got this at Dollar Tree. It's just kind of a neoprene material. It zips closed. I have inside a couple items. The first item is going to be my microfiber cleaning cloth, which I just can't live without because if for some reason I don't have my Zeiss wipes, you know I'm going to be using that. I even have another lens wipe in this pouch. My sunglasses are from iBuyDirect. I did upgrade to a polarized lens, so they're like my little mini fake Ray-Bans, I guess, but they suit my face much better. I do recommend going to iBuyDirect and looking at the sizes of their eyeglasses because you can add a sunglass frame to any pair of frames that they have, which is really cool. I often feel like sunglasses are bigger and don't fit my face as well as some eyeglasses styles, so it's nice to be able to just choose an eyeglasses style that I like and then add that polarized or even not polarized lens to them. Back to what's inside the purse, the next item is going to be my Kush eyebrow gel. It has little fibers and it really applies great color while also giving you a little lift. I use the shade Herb, and I often make room for an eyebrow product in my bag, no matter how small it is, because eyebrows make such a huge difference on your face. And if my makeup is starting to kind of melt off at the end of the day, a quick touch up of my eyebrows will always make me feel better. The next item is also a little mini travel size makeup product, and this is going to be my Lancome mascara. It's in Monsieur Big. It's really one of the best mascaras I've ever used for creating dramatic volume. I like keeping a mascara in my purse because in a pinch you could use it to apply eyeliner as well. I love a dual purpose item. I can also use my brown eyebrow gel to create a brown eyeliner look if I want as well. The next item is a classic. It's one of those little cheap folding hair brushes. I like this one because it also has a mirror inside. Useful for when you're out and about and you need to obviously brush your hair. And then secondly, just reapply your lip balm or touch up your makeup or see what's going on behind you. Never know. I then have a little claw clip, and this is one of the ponytail shaped ones, which I feel like has been less damaging for me lately. I've tried to purposely steer myself away from those big ones that pull at the base of my scalp. Next item is a little strange, but it's a must-have for me. It's one of those face tools, gua sha maybe? I have no idea how to say those words, but I love the shape of this one specifically. This is the only one that I use all the time. The little forks are perfectly spaced to carry from your nose up to your forehead, so you can kind of relieve that sinus pressure. And then it also has the little dotted side for doing like a scalp massage. Oh my gosh, it's the best one. You should grab that style. Then I have a little pouch that I got at Five Below, and inside the pouch are my last items of my what's in my bag, and that is going to be some more makeup. Firstly, a lip liner. Just as touching up your eyebrows and your mascara makes such a difference on your face, so does touching up your lips, like maybe even bigger than those two. And that lip liner was just from an Ulta free gift with purchase. This Sun Balm tinted balm is amazing. It's great as a lip balm, obviously, but you can also use it as a blush. And look how pretty the color is. It's just the best. Like I've said before, I just love using dual purpose makeup and having it in my purse. I don't need to have a separate blush and a separate lip balm because I can just use this one for both. Then I have a mini lip gloss. This one is by Fenty Beauty. I think I got it as a free gift with purchase again at Ulta. It's in the shade Riri, and I actually really love it. I know some people don't like the smell. It's kind of like fruit punch, I think. I'm not sure, but I love the smell. So I keep this one in my purse because it's a great mauve color. It's kind of close to my lip color, but better. You know how people look for that sort of, this is my lips, but just a tiny bit elevated. So I like to keep colors like that in my purse so that I can touch up even on days I'm not wearing much makeup. And then I actually saved the best thing for last, unintentionally, but it's amazing. Oh, wait, no, second to last thing is this mini scissors, which I will not explain how useful they are. This is from a mini sewing kit if you're looking for some that size. Okay, the last thing is also mini, and look how cute this is. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, a mini Burt's Bee lip balm. So adorable. I just found this at Target this weekend. Even though it was $6.99 for 3 of those little tiny guys, I had to get it because it cuts the size of my lip balm by so much. There's no way that that isn't useful. I mean, when I see a mini item, I run to it like a banshee. You can't keep me from mini items, mini foods as well. But look at this. Stop. Oh my gosh. I will see you in the next one. Bye.